Hello everybody. Today we're going to see slime. Yeah, it's going to look like this.
And what's the texture of it?
The texture, you mean the ingredients?
No, how does it feel?
It feels good, but
Can you show us?
it feels like this, but oh, hold on.
Can you get all the ingredients out? Explain it.
So this is how you make galaxy slime. There's slime. You mix all the items that are in the color, but we didn't have pink today. We only did purple and blue.
And so you're making galaxy slime. So do you have any activator or anything? I don't think so.
Yeah, I do. This glue. Have glue. Have activator. Purple and blue. Blue and purple.
And what else do you have in there?
Beads. Golden one. Four.
There's still more in there?
Yes. I took them out. That's it.
Well, let's go through everything you have.
I have the food coloring. The food coloring. The coloring. Purple. Here's the other color I have. Other color I have.
You need to read the instructions. Okay.
Okay. So first, this is level 4. Level 4. That's the glue activator for coloring. That's what me and Mommy did last time. So I think you do the mouses of glue. I think you do the mouses of glue.
Okay.
You do the glue, right?
We have a measuring stick somewhere.
There was in the other jar. My medicine thing.
It says 3 mils right here. 3 mils.
Okay, so 3 ml. This is the measuring cup, but I usually use this when I'm sick.
So we're just gonna use it today
It's for medicine.
Okay. Right? You said wait, we don't need water?
No, we need glue. An activator.
Activator and glue. Okay.
Yes, Daddy. And how many millimeters of glue they said? Oh, that's how you do it.
Okay, go. You might need to open it, Princess. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
And go ahead. 30 milliliters. And stop. Good job. What are you doing?
Putting in the glue.
How can you put it into the bowl? And it says, now drop 2 to 7 drops of a color into the bowl, into the glue. What happened to you?
I just dropped the food coloring, the rest of the coloring that I'm using in the glue in the bowl.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna do 6 drops.
6 drops?
Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on. Get up.
Make sure it's really blended.
The cover turns red fast, Daddy.
Pretty awesome.
So cool.
Alright, baby. A little, yeah, don't squeeze too hard though. Yeah, give it some more squeeze.
Strong. Activate her.
Okay, now we pour our activator.
Okay, I'm gonna pour it. Now do I mix it?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. And if it turns like slime, you have to play with it.
Okay, baby.
If it turns like slime. And last time it turned up my whole hand. It was so sticky. No, I'm not. It is sticky. It was sticky.
That's super crazy. So, is it coming into like right?
Yeah, look.
Go.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Have you made slime before today?
No.
I thought you did. Do we need any more activator or is it too much activator?
I think we need more activator.
Keep stirring, okay? Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring.
Okay, I think we need more glue. I think we need more glue, Daddy. I think I'm gonna start playing with it. I'm gonna start playing with it because last time me and Mommy did that. That we're gonna need something.
Is it turning into like slime?
Yeah. It's like turning into
Maybe
this.
we put some fluff butter slime.
Ooh, gold. Let's add some gold. Oh, I didn't even mean to do that. Gold. I have gold hands.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Where's the play? I need the play. Where is it at?
Huh?
Where's the play? So I can mix it.
This right here?
No. No.
This is the clay, baby. This is called clay.
No, I need like mix it. No.
This is what you mix it with, baby.
The purple thing. The purple. You mix the thing.
I know, baby. This is what Mommy mixed it. She mixed it with that to make the butter slime.
Okay, I'm gonna do a different color.
On top of the purple? On top of the gold?
Yeah.
Huh?
I want to do purple.
Oh, it's kind of turning out right, actually.
See, Daddy, I told you it's because there's just so much that. Look, you see how it like turns your hand?
Yeah. I think Dad might have messed this up.
No, it looks cool.
Sorry.
Can you open it?
Make sure you don't touch your face or your eyes, okay?
Okay. Pepper. Ooh, it looks good. Ooh. It does.
Come on. Let's see what happens.
Look it. Should I add some blue?
Huh?
Should I add some blue? Look, it's a lava slime. What about we name it lava gold?
Lava gold slime? Awesome. Bring it closer for everybody to see. That's lava gold slime.
Yeah, because it looks so cool. It looks cool, huh?
Now, ready for the next one?
I think.
You want it to be purple?
Yeah.
Okay, so first we mix that in there.
Is it recording?
Yes, it is, my lover.
Well, this is way a lot than the other one. Blue.
Make sure it goes all the way in there, all the way.
And now I'm just waiting for it to drop. In the dark.
Dark?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Do I put all of it?
Sure. Mix that in first.
Okay. Oh, here it is. It looks weird. mix the slime.
It does how you look how you mix slime, huh? And now we still need to activate it. Oh, we gotta use some of this too. But we only can use 2 drops because you gotta let it be able to
Okay,
flow.
hopefully.
Yeah.
What about 3 drops?
Only 2 drops for this.
2, okay.
Only 2 drops, okay?
Okay.
There.
I have 1.
Okay, perfect.
Do I start mixing the color?
Mixing it in with this.
Guess it's not that bad. Look.
Hopefully the purple color doesn't ruin that.
Learn the dark.
Yeah, because it might be too dark.
No?
Too dark.
Look, see?
It's pretty cool actually.
Look, it still looks the same. It still looks the same, Daddy.
It looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's do.
There.
You gotta go mix them?
Yep.
Okay, I'll need to activate it, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna do 2.5. Like that first. There you go.
It looks so pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's turning like sticky. The other one was perfect.
2.5 more.
Oh, look. Ooh,
Keep going.
but it's
You gotta
sticky.
mix it. You want that to be that one? Mix it around.
Okay. It feels like,
Is it sticky?
no, it's just like watery.
Keep switching it around.
It's just watery. Dad, look, it has gold on it because of my hands.
Keep going.
Ooh.
Ooh. Keep going. You gotta do it good. Don't break it though. Yeah, just like roll it up the ball.
I'm rolling balls.
Oh, yeah, are you breaking?
Like doing that like this. Look.
It's breaking, Bella.
No, it's because it's slippery. Dad, since it's all glittery, should we add the purple?
Or let's show all of the ones we made.